Matt Bernal with T-Rex Grilles. We're here in the Hard Rock Off-Road booth with Marco Albanese, right?
Yes.
And we've partnered with Marco in the past. If you remember last year at SEMA show, he built that amazing spike Jeep. It was rhino lined with like a tan or brown or black, right? And
it
had
actually
spikes.
Bronze colored. It was kind of brownish with some gold flake in it though.
And Marco actually redid that Jeep, right?
We did. We actually redid it. It's outside at South Hall. It's V538. It's an American Trucks booth this year.
And we're going to be out there. We're going to check that out. We'll probably do an Instagram live with that one. But this is his latest creation. Marco, tell us about what you got here, man.
So what we have is a 2020 Jeep Gladiator. We went with a kind of Hulk theme on it. It's Rhino Lined Green. We have DV8 bumpers and fenders. As you can see, we stayed true to our spike theme. We did those in black. We have some RGB headlights that are by XK Glow. And then we also added some in the T-Rex ZROADZ Series ZROADZ Grille. It's an incredible grille. And then underneath we have a 6.5 inch BDS long arm kit. It's incredible how they set it up, the steer that's on there. We have a Warn Platinum Series winch. This is a remote Bluetooth, so you don't have to worry about running a wire to it or anything like that.
Okay, Marco, how about under the hood? What do you got under the hood?
So under the hood is the factory motor. It's still the V6, but we do have a K&N cold air intake. It sucks like, as far as sucking the air intake, it is incredible. Underneath for the exhaust system is a dual Gibson exhaust. We do have a 6.5 inch long arm kit on there, which is incredible. For the wheel setup, we have 24 by 14 Hard Rock Off-Roads.
The booth we're in today?
That's the booth that we're in. And then we have Rolling Big Power tires. They are 40 by 15.5 R24. The interior is black leather interior with black stitching and actually black suede and green stitching in it. If you go to the back side, we do have a roll bar in it. The roll bar is rhino lined as well. And then we have a Jenny hitch with the Jenny hitch step on it, which is pretty awesome.
This rhino lighting is kind of your theme.
It is. That's our theme we love to go with. It's more durable than the paint, especially when you're off-roading or anything that you're into, whether it's off-roading or show. You could have fun with this. You don't have to worry about it scratching. You could actually take a key to it, but please don't take a key to our Jeep.
How is the install on the grill, Marco?
The install on the grill is pretty easy. It's simple. It's the T-Rex ZROADZ Series ZROADZ Grille. Behind it, it has amazing hardware that's going to get your grill mounted in there nice and secure, and you don't have to worry about it wobbling, shaking loose, or anything like that. If you're hitting the trail, it's going to stay there. You have a switch with the lights. The lights are incredible, great visibility for it. We do have all the lighting on the build is 100% ZROADZ, which is also T-Rex's company. We have 4 pods up front. We have the 40 inch on the hood and then the 50 inch on the roof.
Yeah, Marco's a great example of what ZROADZ brand is all about. We're a lighting solutions company. We want you to use whatever light brand you want using our brackets. So Marco's a prime example. He's got our ZROADZ brackets. It's hard to see because he rhino lined them, but he actually has our ZROADZ pods up there on the quad lights. And then he has, what is
the light bar, it's the 40 inch ZROADZ and then the 50 inch ZROADZ.
Gotcha. But he has a red Jeep outside that we're going to show you later that has a really impressive setup with the KC rounds.
It does. It's the it has a Rebel off-road lift on it. Definitely recommend you guys check it out.
We're gonna go check that out later on today or tomorrow. But so we'll bring that to you guys then. So tell us about your shop. I know you're kind of local, right? Arizona, if I remember.
So I'm local in Vegas here.
Vegas.
Our shop is based out of Henderson, Nevada. It's called DH Customz. So all the work that you see is done down there. Make sure to check them out on Instagram. Also on our page, you can find them on the Spike Jeep Instagram page.
Check out Marco, guys. He's real deal.
Excellent.
Just look at his builds. If you're in town, he's got a build outside, right?
Yes, we have a total of 4 builds.
4 builds. We're going to try and show you all of them. So check them out, man, especially if you're a Jeeper. Guys, it's amazing work.
Thank you guys. Enjoy the show.
Alrighty.